Welcome to Eat Travel Love. We are here in Jatayu Earth Center, also known as Jatayu Nature Park. It is a tourism center at Chadayamangalam in Kollam district of Kerala. It stands at an altitude of 350 meters above the sea level. Visitors to enter the park must obtain a paid ticket. The park is located near the town of Chadayamangalam or Jatayamangalam, which was named for Jatayu. Jatayu was a demigod in Ramayana who had the form of vulture. According to the epic, Ravana was attempting to abduct Sita to Lanka. When Jatayu tries to rescue her, Jatayu fought valiantly with Ravana. But as Jatayu was very old, Ravana soon defeated him, clipping his wings, and Jatayu fell onto the rocks in Chadayamangalam. Rama and Lakshmana, while on the search for Sita, chanced upon the stricken and dying Jatayu, who informed them of the battle with Ravana and told them that Ravana has headed south. The statue is a representation of a legend and symbolizes the protection of women and their honor and safety. We used cable car to reach the top of the park. The park opened to visitors on 4th July 2018. The park is located on hilltop in Kollam district in Kerala. No special transportation is required to get into the park. However, visitors required to use cable car to reach on the top of the park. Tourists may only bring camera and no bags are allowed. Lockers are provided for the other items and there will be security screening process before entering top. This is a temple which is still under construction. Holy footprint of Lord Sri Rama. Overall, it is a great place to visit. Here we are at the end of the trip. If you like my video, do subscribe, like and comment. And thanks for watching. Bye-bye.